Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make viral Sora 2 videos. If you want to stop making basic clips and start generating Sora 2 videos that break the internet, this tutorial is your masterclass in advanced prompting, cinematic tricks, and key elements that make a video instantly shareable. Now you can just open Sora in here. And then you can just generate the video. First, you need to understand what makes a Sora 2 video go viral. So the Sora videos have three things in common. First one, it has strong emotions or theme, simple but cinematic visuals, and perfect music, singing, and pacing. And first, you need to write the perfect prompt. You can use ChatGPT and ask to write a cinematic prompt for Sora 2. So I've already done it, and this is what ChatGPT gave me as the prompt. A lone astronaut walks slowly through the neon-lit ruins of an abandoned Mars colony at sunset. The red dust glows under vibrant pink and blue neon lights flickering from broken signs and cables. And the sky burns in orange and purple hues as the sun dips behind the Martian mountains. And the astronaut reflective features mirrors the surreal colors of the scene. And here ChatGPT also gave me the camera movement and slow, following the astronaut footstep, and then the movement and everything. So you can now adjust the options in here. You can choose your settings. So if you want to upload it for YouTube, you need to choose the 16:9 orientations. But if you want to use it for TikTok, you need to choose the portrait one. And here you can click on the HD, turn on the HD to have the best result, and choose your duration. So I'm going to just go with 10 seconds. And after that, you can just hit on generate. So in seconds, Sora will turn your text into a stunning realistic video, literally like a Hollywood shot. So this is one of the example video generated by Sora. After that, after the video is done, you can just download it. And you can also add viral text hooks on the video. And you can also use another video editor to add more filter, or you can also add color grading. So that's how you can make viral Sora 2 videos from start to finish. If you find this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. See you in the next one.